Hello, my friend. Are you ready to make 2026 your best year? Today, I will share with you 6 amazing online business ideas that you can start from home without any big investment. Whether you are a student, a housewife, or working somewhere, these ideas are perfect for you. The best part? You can just search them on YouTube and learn everything for free. Let's start with idea number 1. AI Automation Agency. AI is everywhere today, but it is not just a trend. Using AI in 2026 can really change your business game. You can make money in 2 ways. First, combine AI with your skills. If you are an editor, designer, or developer, AI can help you work faster and more accurately. Second, you can offer AI services to businesses. Many companies want to automate emails, chatbots, and sales tasks. You can help them and earn money. Idea number 2. Freelancing. Freelancing is growing fast in Pakistan and worldwide. You can start it as a side project and earn extra income. To start, you need a skill like graphic design, video editing, web development, or digital marketing. Good communication, especially in English, to get clients. And a niche. Pick one industry like editing short reels for real estate or social media management for restaurants. Idea number 3. Content creation. This does not mean just becoming a YouTuber. You can create videos, graphics, writing, or manage social media for businesses. Content creation helps businesses show their products and services to more people. Companies are always hiring content creators. This field will grow fast in 2026. You can also build your personal brand and earn through affiliate marketing or brand deals. Idea number 4. E-commerce. People now buy online directly from brand websites. You can sell your own products or buy from wholesalers and sell online. If you were good at digital marketing, you can run Facebook or Google ads for e-commerce businesses and earn money. This is a growing field with lots of opportunities. Idea number 5. Digital products. Digital products are easy to sell because they don't require physical shipping. For example, online courses, design templates, presets, plugins, or AI tools. Once the product is ready, you can sell it to thousands of people and earn continuously. Idea number 6. Affiliate marketing. This is simple and can start without investment. You promote someone else's product and earn a commission on every sale. The most important skill here is sales and marketing. Use Instagram, YouTube, or other social media platforms to promote products and earn money. So, my friend, these are the 6 best online business ideas you can start in 2026. Remember, success does not come overnight. Spend at least 6 months to 1 year learning, practicing, and improving your skills. Everything I mentioned can be just searched on YouTube. Watch tutorials and start applying what you learn. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it. Keep learning, stay consistent, and 2026 can truly be your year.